My name is Jillian Schmoll. I'm a sophomore here at Mac, and I'm an education major. Right now, I'm in educational psychology with Dr. Young. That class is really fun because we're learning about how kids grow up and how to work well with them in classrooms and how to get them to want to learn and participate without them knowing. I think our teaching experience, our field experience class I took first semester was the best class that I could have taken because you have class during the week, but it's a field experience class. So they put you in a classroom and you're doing constant observations. We're doing junior achievement lessons, and it really helps you decide whether or not you want to be a teacher, and I loved it. It was so much fun. I am a volleyball player here at Mac. I am also president of the Missouri State Teachers Association here at Mac, which is for students, so all of the teachers are encouraged to be a part of that. The Teachers Association is just a program that we encourage all of the teaching majors to get involved in. It helps us get more experience in the classroom because we go and we teach science lessons and we go to Cougar College and Fox Elementary just to get more experience in the classroom and make mistakes earlier on rather than after getting our teaching degree. And it just kind of brings us together as ed majors. We get to know each other, and it's really fun. I played volleyball all 4 years of high school, and so coming to college to play volleyball, I was so excited. That's always been a dream of mine. Going to games, everybody would show up and cheer on the team, and it was just an amazing experience getting to meet all these new volleyball players and get to know them on the team. I honestly think being more involved in school has helped me to stay focused and have a set routine to balance my home life and my school life, because all of the activities that I'm in, they make it very clear that they prioritize schoolwork over anything we're doing in that program, especially volleyball, because we have mandatory study hall hours, we have grade checks, and so it really holds us accountable to make sure that we're doing school the way we need to be doing school. I think one of the biggest lessons that I've learned, especially here and of course throughout high school and everything, that college is really what you make it to be. I think here at Mac, it could be really easy to get lost in the motions, just going to class, going home, going to the caf, eating, doing homework, and not interacting with anybody and really making memories. I think that if you're intentional about participating in class and meeting new people and trying to make those memories on a daily basis, it's an extraordinary time. I'm really excited to go to my 4-year college because I'll be going in as a junior, so we'll be starting our student teaching. And we have been in the classroom since first semester, and it's a really, really good experience, but I'm really excited to be in the classroom as a student teacher and not just an observer, and to get to participate more with the students. And I'm also really excited to go to the 4-year and meet all of those new ed majors who I'm going to be colleagues with and make all those new memories that I got to make here. I think that Mac was the right choice for me because I don't think any other college would have given me the experience that I've gotten here. I have made extremely important connections with people that I became friends with in the volleyball team and the ed department, and I don't think any other college would have given me the classroom experience that I've gotten already. It's my favorite when I go into a school and all of the teachers are like, "How are you here yet? You just graduated high school." I'm like, well, Mac puts us in a classroom as soon as we get there, because their philosophy here is make the mistakes now and learn from them. That way you don't make the same mistakes when you're a teacher. And I don't think I would get that at any other college.